Did I tell you how radiant you look today? I mean, come on, it's just everything about you, just woo, giving. Like, welcome back to 30 days of pouring into ourselves. No, we're not filming in the regular location. I know that doesn't really matter to you, but the landscapers wanted to make some noise, so I let them. Because every time I hit record, something loud just wants to come through. But today's song of the day is, get into it, But Never Too Much by Luther Vandross. This was one of my like childhood growing up songs that my mom would always play in the house. I'm gonna show it to y'all just in case you don't know. I'm gonna put it on the screen as well. But this is a classic. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize his face in the cover. Wow, I need to use this as a meme. That is the song of the day. We're moving on into picking your brain. I want to know 3 things that you feel that you're great at, because the point of this challenge is to empower, inspire, and embrace. Oh wait, for the newcomers, this is a no excuse way to make more time for you every single day as we show up together with our songs of the day. I pick your brain with some challenging questions just to get you thinking in a positive way about yourself, and last but not least, affirming one another with some words of love and light. But yes, as I was saying, picking your brain, 3 things that you are great at, you feel that you're great at. If you can make a mean grilled cheese, that's one thing. If you feel you're great at makeup, that's one thing. Like, the smallest things, they matter too. Don't just be like, oh, well, I wish I was good at photos, or I wish I was this, or I'm not this. The point of asking this question is to get you thinking about the things that you're great at. Even if it's funny or laughable to you, you have these skills, okay? So moving forward into the affirmations. Guys, I'm really getting into the flow of this. Like, please, applause. A round of applause. You gotta just applause. A round of applause. Thank you, Miss B. Thank you, Auntie B. Okay, moving into the affirmation section part of the day. I know you're gonna miss me when I'm gone. Okay, so let's jump in. Take a deep breath with me. Inhale. And exhale. Perfect. You look perfect. Let's do it. I am receiving abundance in an unexpected way. I am increasing my ability to create the life I desire. I am acting on inspiration and insights, and I trust my inner guidance. I know that as much as I seek and as much as I know, I am not on my timing. I say thank you for all of the wonderful blessings that I have in my life and that are on its way to me. My dreams are manifesting right before my eyes. My life is filled with joy and abundance. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still singing that song in my head. I believe in myself and my own willpower. I believe in myself and my own willpower. I wake up each morning with a grateful heart and an open mind. I wake up each morning with a grateful heart and an open mind. You see? God liked that one. The sun is shining on us now. I am magnetic. I am attractive. I am glowing and growing in God's flow. And for anyone who doesn't like the word God, you can use goddess, whatever you want to choose. I have the power to create my reality. I appreciate all that I have. Say this one very clearly with me. I am open and ready to attract abundance into my life. One more time. I am open and ready to attract abundance in my life. And I welcome it in all forms. The universe constantly supplies me with everything I need, with enough to fill my needs. I visualize my what? Me fumbling the words in my head. I visualize my ideal life and I watch it manifest. My day is full of abundant opportunities and success. Let's see that one more time. My day is full of abundant opportunities and success. I attract meaningful connections. I attract meaningful connections. I value the power of community and understand that I play a key role in mine. I value community and understand the key role I play in mine. I am willing to believe that focusing on feeling good helps me to make better choices, which leads to better results. I believe that focusing on feeling good helps me to make better choices, which leads to better results. The more I love myself, the more love I have to offer. The more I love myself, the more love I have to offer. The more I love myself, the more love I have to offer. Period. I attract only what is meant for me. My discernment is becoming so strong that it is easy to see what is not for me. My discernment is becoming so strong that it is easy to see what is not for me. Each and every day, I am raising my vibration to attract what I desire. Each and every day, I am raising my vibration to attract what I desire. Money is flowing in and out abundantly Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. I know y'all have to know that song. Come on. That song was it was on repeat for me. Ching, ching, ching goes the money tree. And every time a ching, money comes to me. It all flows out. It all flows in so abundantly. From the top, left, right, and up under me. Wave, wave, wave. I'm a money wave. Money flow, money plus, money save. Flowing in. Oh, wait. Not me messing up the words. It's okay. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And if you don't, I could easily put a link. That's the Ching 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 Goes the Money Tree song, and it's fire. But anyways, I want to thank you guys for taking a little bit out of your day to come and vibe with me, and I hope to see you again tomorrow. Be gracious with you today, okay? I know there's a lot of chaos in the world and madness, but we have each other, so focus on the good. Let the good be your guiding light today, okay? And we gotta close out with a song. Bye, y'all.